What's up, guys? I'm out here with my best friend.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
That's Dorian Haywood, aka Game Boy. We're out here at the Ringling Bridge today. We're gonna bring up the DJI FPV drone.
It's a beautiful day outside.
It is a beautiful day outside. It's you know, the birds are chirping. It's sunny. There's clouds out. You know, fluffy dogs walking around and stuff. It's definitely beautiful. It's Sarasota.
I don't see no fluffy dogs.
You know what I mean. There's definitely fluffy dogs somewhere. Even if you can't see them, they're around. But yeah, so we're gonna bring up the DJI FPV drone, just fly it around the bridge here a little bit, maybe go in between some palm trees and make something cool of it. Here we go.